everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout. I'm starting off with that pink paper from Schmel Little by Little. It's the Seek the Moment paper, and I'm going to mount my photograph on that, and then I'm going to mat the photograph on this aqua paper, which is from Sparkle City. It's a Schmel Sparkle City, but it's a scrap, so I can't tell you exactly what the paper name is of that, and it's an older collection. So I was saving it to journal on, and it turned out to be the perfect thing to mat a photo with. So I have that amazing fast food paper that I thought I would never use. The reverse of that is the yellow dot there, and I thought that's what I would use. That's why I bought it, because I don't really eat fast food. So I was so excited that I could use this paper, and that is the Sparkle City Grab and Go paper. And then obviously the yellow on the bottom is the reverse of that. And then I have this border here that I'm using from the Sparkle City 12 by 12 pad, and I'm using that that 4x4 journaling cut apart from the Schmel Glitter Girl cut apart sheet. So I can't tell you exactly what the name of that paper is. It was a remnant that was left, again, because I'm coming down with some of these collections. I'm coming down to just little bits and pieces, which is what should be happening. I want to use the Schmel paper up before I don't like it. So it's always a shame when you buy paper and then you donate it because it's no longer your style. All right, so I am inking everything in my Tim Holtz vintage photo because there are a lot of different collections here. The story behind this is that my boyfriend and I went to this very classic old drive-in in a town where he's actually from, that is really just next door to where I live right now. And I had heard a lot about it. They make everything by hand here. And they also, it's a root beer stand, but they also have burgers and fries and that kind of stuff. And I think chili, that kind of stuff. Other sandwiches as well, too. So we finally went, and it was as delicious as everyone told me it was going to be. So some cut aparts here as well. I'm kind of, using those. That banner cut apart is from the Schmel Sparkle City Stay Super. Now, those right there are the large, they're stickers. They're from the Sparkle City project pad from that sticker sheet. The large drink is from, the large burger and fry is from the Sparkle City 12 by 6 sticker sheet. The large drink is from the Sparkle City project pad, which you could get at Joann's. And then I'm going to add these very small food stickers, which came from the Sparkle City sticker book, and all three of those are from that. So I'm reinforcing over and over and over that theme because, as I said, I don't really eat a lot of fast food, so I won't scrapbook about it. And I'm trying to think, after I was all done, I found more stickers in something. I don't remember what it was, but anyway, I'm like, well, I guess I have a few pieces left if I have burgers and fries to document about. So I'm thinking now that I want to do the title here, and I kind of know before I even do this that that yellow lettering is too bright because the yellow on there is more buttery. So I'm thinking red now because of the red fries. But then as I walked over to my thickers, I realized, brown would look pretty good. And the name of this stand is John's. So that's where that's coming from. There's no apostrophe in this set, though, which is really annoying when they don't do that. So I'm going to have to create one. And now I'm going to go to all the trouble of aligning that word so that it's over the top, and you'll see why that doesn't work out so great in a little bit. And I kind of didn't like the way that one looks, so I'm using an X. I'm just cutting an X apart here. MacGyvering. When you don't have one, you make one, right? Okay, so then I remembered that I had pulled these squares, and there's one of the burger, one of the fries, and one of the drink. And so I'm going to go through and I'm going to fussy cut these pieces from the squares, just because I figured I probably wouldn't use the squares as they were. So it made sense to me to do it like this. And to, again, reinforce that theme. So they're not quite as big as the stickers, because the stickers have a white border around them, but they're still pretty large, and I like the way they look in the end. So nice way to use to make an embellishment work for me versus making me work with the embellishment. I do like to do stuff like that, to like cut them apart and do that. So I just pull that. And so those were from the Sparkle City 12 by 12 pad. They're one of the cut apart sheets in that 12 by 12 pad. And again, that's the 12 by 12 pad versus the project pad, which was only sold at Joann's. But I loved this collection. I bought so much of this collection, and really I don't have a lot of it left. It's more really the cut aparts and a few other pieces here and there. Like that yellow paper goes with a lot of Chamel's collection, so I bought a ton of it. But again, how cool that I could use the burger and fry side of it. And I love that when that happens, when I buy it for something else and think I'll never use the A side is the burger and fry, like I'll only use the B side, and then I end up using it. So I am adding some stars here. Those came from the Chamel sticker book from, I think, Sparkle City. Yes, from the Sparkle City sticker book. And then I'm going to add some enamel dots here, some blue enamel dots. Those are from Altenew. They're the Glacier Caves enamel dots. And then what I end up doing is I also, after I shut the camera off, decide to add some turquoise in, because there's no turquoise here other than in that border and in the background of the paper. I wanted to bring it up. So I added some aqua enamel dots from Altenew, the Cool Summer Night collection. You'll see that in the still shot and detail shots. So I added an enamel dot next to where there was already an enamel dot, basically. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.